Here's how our professional designers use complementary ribbons to accent garland on a mantle. First, you'll want to measure both ribbons along the length of the garland. Give yourself some extra ribbon to work with. One ribbon should be a few inches longer than the other. Measure end to end to make sure your ribbons are long enough. Now, attach the ribbon to the garland. Wrap a shorter pine branch around both pieces of ribbon to secure them. Continue to attach the ribbon to the garland at regular intervals, alternating which ribbon is on top. Once you've secured the ribbon to the garland, measure the ribbon against the length of the garland again and cut the second ribbon on a diagonal, shorter than the first ribbon. Cut the ends of the first ribbon on a diagonal also. Next, take the ribbon ends that are hanging and fold them between two fingers, creating waves for visual interest. Make your final adjustments and voila! A perfect canvas to add ornaments and other mantle decor. Add loops and bows if you'd like a fuller design.